Hi guys, my name is Leonardo, and today we will be showing you the Lego Boost Creative Toolbox. This is recommended for 7 to 12, and this set number is 17101, and comes with 847 pieces. You can play with it on a tablet, but it's not included, and you can download the free app. And then you can build 5 models, which is Bernie the Robot, Guitar 4000, MPR4, Auto Builder, and there's more than 60 and Frankie the Cat, and there's more than 60 activities. Let's get this package opened. Okay. Package number 6, package number 7, package number 6, package number 3, package number 1, package number 2, package number 5, package number 8, and this. And this. Okay, let's take a look at this. This is the pack list. Let's take a look at the inside. Then let's take a look at the other side. And it also comes with a poster. And we're gonna download the free app because, as you can see, there's no instructions. And we're gonna with Bernie the Robot first. Then this is the Move hub. Thanks for watching. On the next video, I'll be showing you Bernie the Robot.